Hi guys, welcome to another episode of PreetCodesinPython. We are starting a new series today wherein I'll teach you how to set up certain things inside of a Django project in less than 5 minutes. Now, as you all know, we use the Django REST framework a lot for building REST APIs, and it's a very powerful library to use to build REST APIs and transact data between microservices or getting data from a third-party resource or sending some data back. So it's extremely useful for building a lot of views and functions. So I'll teach you how to integrate the entire Django REST framework in under 5 minutes. Now this is only an integration video. So if you want more data, I'll leave videos, links to my other videos at the end of this video. And you can go and check out how to set up a Django project and how to set up authentication with REST framework also. So let's dive right into it. As you can see, I've already have a Django application ready, a Django project ready, and I also have the virtual environment installed. And now I will just hop onto the Django REST Framework website. Right, this is the website of Django REST Framework. I'll leave this website link for you guys in the description. So first, let's install the Django REST Framework. So we'll copy the pip command and just paste it. And now, as you can see, it's installing the Django REST Framework. Okay, great. It's installed now. So now I will teach you how to integrate this very efficiently and very quickly. So first things first, now we have installed Django REST Framework into our environment. Now, first we come to install apps and add the REST Framework application out here. So here is the app name, REST Framework. We just import this into our installed applications. Now we need the permission classes, the authentication classes. So I'll just copy this part from REST Framework. It's a different project I already created, and just paste this in my settings.py file. Now by doing this, I have set up my Django application, my REST Framework application, and I've also set up the authentication classes for REST Framework, right? There is a basic authentication which will hash our passwords, session authentication, so that it's like the remember me function that you don't have to log in back again and again when you close the window. And the last one is token authentication, which is used for JW token authentications, or to identify a user and mitigate their accesses, and have rollback access control using the token. So that is something how the REST framework works. So as you can see, it is this simple.